Okay, folks, I wanted to show you what the ideal profile generator and the funnel evaluator can do for you. So, prerequisite for the funnel evaluation is that we first create an AI avatar. Some of you may already have one that you can certainly input. If not, we can create one for you in seconds, just by evaluating what you do, what is your specialty, your business model, what's your ideal client, relationship, age, location, as much as you know, and it will generate a full AI avatar. As you see, the only input for this was that you are a healthcare professional and you do nutritional psychiatry, gut health, and you do all kinds of things. Your business model is mostly online and everything else is basically not provided. Location is USA and client income range would be rather in the higher middle to higher range. Now, our AI system spit out the profile name. It would be Alexandra or Alex Grant because a gender has not been chosen. Most of the clients will probably be female, and as always, AI provides an educated guess. So don't expect miracles. But the psychographics can give you really interesting hints what Alex or Alexandra is looking for, pain points, goals, communication preferences, and even promising places to find the ideal client. Now from there, of course, you can send it to a branding guidelines app, or you can send it to our marketing strategy generator, and from there then to the custom 90-day content plan generator. But today I want to show you what you can do to actually evaluate a funnel. Now say you or a client of yours has a funnel with a landing page and maybe also a booking page. Then what you can do is simply copy this and go to the funnel review wizard, where you just copy and paste the client avatar, add your opt-in page URL, and I added the one of this client here, which we have here, but it doesn't really matter at this point, it's given. She didn't have a lead magnet delivery and booking page, which is fine. Now here's a report, just as an example, what we do and what our AI system actually can do for you too, if you choose to just book a free call with us, and the free call link is underneath this video or somewhere around this video. So go ahead, book a free call, and you will not just get an avatar for your business, you'll get a marketing strategy, 90-day content plan, you can get a marketing funnel review report, and even 3 offers. And you know what? Everything on a free call, and whether you purchase anything from us or not, you can take it home. We'll send it to you via email afterwards, just for being on the call. Now, I think that's pretty good. That's about $500 at least to $1,000 value. Yours today, just because you watched the video, clicked the link, and booked the call for free. Quite amazing. We are non-profit. We love people. Well, there's one condition, of course. You need to be a wellness entrepreneur. Somebody that is either having an MLM product that they want to offer, a coach, health coach, life coach, spiritual coach, healer, energy healer, dietitian, nutritionist, somebody with a wellness business that wants to make an impact, a positive influence, be a positive influence on the world, and have a soul-aligned business and really translate their purpose to a profitable business in the biblical sense, which is not just monetary. Of course, money is important. Now, let's do that, and we pick our client. We don't have to take client. We are plenty. We just want to show you how it is done, and we want to give you the strategy so you will be successful if you just implement it step by step and keep on doing it. You can't help but be successful, so please get it. Now, what do you get in this funnel report? Now here, the funnel was just an informational homepage without a clear opt-in mechanism. Messages generic and text heavy, so there's a criticism. AI is so good in criticizing, it's mean. Overall alignment with the customer avatar is weak, only a 3 out of 10. The page mentioned it, but it fails to speak to her need for concise, evidence-backed protocols. It fails to offer done-for-you framework. It fails to highlight measurable outcomes, and it fails to mention and address her time constraints and preferences. Here's the analysis of the opt-in page, and it gives a score that can be quite devastating when you first see it, because most people think the landing page that they built with a lot of sweat and effort should be a 10 out of 10 right off the bat, and it's disappointing if it's not. Believe me, I understand it. Our landing page is not perfect, and we are getting better. But you know, it doesn't end in the criticism. But it gives you a scorecard summary, but it sets you priority recommendations. What to implement first, what's most important to do right now to improve your landing page function, the opt-ins, bookings, and clients. What's next? An above-the-fold opt-in form with a strong call to action. Then medium priority would be rewrite the key section, introduce a visual hierarchy, and a nice-to-have low priority issues would be a welcome video summarizing the protocols and next steps. Suggested A/B test for headlines, technical considerations, and even gives you the opt-in funnel copy for a hero page, the lead magnet short description, what you'll receive, bullet points, why this works, who is this for, how it works, trust and credentials, social proof, frequently asked questions, opt-in for the next page, form copy. That's the form. All of that has to be on the form. Then there's the thank you page copy. It gives you everything. So if you book that call with us, and it even gives you a 60-second hero video script, come on. What else would you need to be successful? I know what you would need. You need to implement. You know, most people stop there. They know what to do, but they don't do it. There's actually a really good book about it by a neuroscientist. I know what to do, so why don't I do it, by Nick Hall. I recommend it highly. It helped me to actually do it and become more successful. And you know what? You can do the same. Just get started, book the free call here in this video, and we'll see you on the other side.